Hey loves, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have an unboxing slash review. Thank you so much to this company for sending me on over this 20 gel polish nail kit along with a matte top coat, a top coat, a base coat, along with the user manual. So I was honestly really impressed with these gel polishes. They were very pigmented. The colors were gorgeous. I absolutely loved this set, if I'm being 100% honest. And of course I did decide to go with a marble look because I absolutely love marble nails. I have a lot of fun doing it, and I just feel like it creates and takes the nails to a whole other level, whether you decide to add like decorations on top, stickers, whatever the case is. It just definitely just adds this pizzazz to the nails that I absolutely love. So yeah, I also really appreciate how the expiration date on these are 24 months. It'll probably last you a little longer, but I love how it at least lasts you 2 years. And honestly, the price is really good. And I will have everything linked down below for you all. And if I do have a discount code, because I'm not 100% sure, I don't remember, I will make sure to put it up in the screen, or it will be linked down below in the description, all the information. Also remember to avoid kids from getting near these products. Avoid direct sunlight because it can overheat, so it is a little bit dangerous. So just remember those guidelines, and obviously don't place on your skin. If you have an accident, get medical attention. I just wanted to mention these warning tips just for safety precautions. And these are UV/LED gels, so they do need to be cured under a lamp. And there are a bunch of affordable, amazing lamps on Amazon. So don't think just because you don't have the best lamp or the most expensive drill or whatever the case may be, or the best nail tips, you can't do your nails. Absolutely not. You can literally use very inexpensive products and create amazing nails at the comfort of your home with literally a quarter of the price, if so. So here I'm just going to briefly show you all the colors. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you'd like for me to continue making content like this. Hit that notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. Subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the absolute world. And yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy watching the colors of these gel polishes. Okay, so now that I've picked out my colors, I decided to go from colors 111 through 114, and these are all these beautiful purples, and one of them is a glittery purple. So after I picked out my nail tips, these are full coverage nail tips from Nail Couture in Extreme Square. They do go for $29.99. I definitely recommend them. These are probably my top favorite nail tips of all time. They have to be from Nail Couture. The quality is impeccable, how they're pre-etched, and then on top of everything, they are just so on point with the shaping. They have all types of lengths. It's just the best, like hands down. I've tried so many companies, not that other companies aren't great, but the best for me in my personal opinion has to be Nail Couture, so I will always recommend them. So here I'm just going in. The nails are already pre-etched, so I don't have to remove the shine off the surface of the nails, which is just awesome. So I'm just gonna go in with some base coat, place the base coat on top of all the nails. Then I'm gonna go in my UV lamp and cure it for a couple seconds, 30 to 60. It's definitely all up to you. So you guys are seeing me doing that here in my Nail Couture lamp, which I absolutely love. Then I'm going in with my Emily blossoming gel and applying them. At first I was just gonna do like certain accent nails, so you guys are gonna only see me apply them on my thumb and also on the ring finger, like where the nail would go. But then I did go ahead and decide to do the marble look on every single nail, which I'm super happy I decided to go with that look because I genuinely loved the end result. I hope you guys did as well. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. I would definitely love to know if you guys like this set, if you guys would wear it. Let me know. So I definitely brought a little bit more of my creativity in this set, because I was just doing really like subtle type of looks for a while. But I decided, you know what, I want to add some charms today, and I just want to bring in my inner creativity. I mean, it's not like, oh my god, over the top with creativity, but for me, definitely it was, and I really loved it. So let me know what you guys think as well, and let me know if you guys have tried this company before, this brand, their products. I definitely recommend them. Literally, honest opinion, my raw, in-depth honest opinion is yes, I do recommend them. So here I'm just going in after I apply my blooming gel. You do not cure it, and you go in with the colors you like. You put like dots of different colors that you're gonna incorporate to make the marble look, and then after that you just grab a nail art brush and you go ahead and marbleize it to your desired taste, and then you go ahead and cure it. I like to cure it just because it does get a little bit messy, but it's all up to you. In this video I did go ahead and cure this one on its own, or a couple on their own, but then I just decided to finish the set completely, clean it up. It's really important to constantly clean up the sides because it does over like flow and get messy, because you do not want to lose the shape. So yeah, here I'm just gonna go in and continue marbleizing the nail until I'm happy with it, and I'm gonna continue the same process for the rest of the nails. So these are what the nails look like after I am completely done and they are fully cured. This is what they look like. I absolutely love the way they look. You could definitely leave them just like this. You can mattify them or you can gloss them up with some top coat, but I decided I'm gonna go in and apply some charms. I haven't done that in a nail set in a while, so I definitely wanted to go in and just apply a little bit of charms and just try to make it cute. And yeah, just randomize the charms and whatever I felt like I liked and what felt right for me composed together. That's exactly what I placed on the nail. So I hope you guys enjoy this portion. I'm just literally here trying to see which charms I'm going to choose, and then we're gonna go ahead and place them. And by the way, I did use the Ina Couture gummy jelly to apply the stones, not the stones, I'm sorry, the charms, but I definitely recommend that one as well because literally your charms will not fall off, your rhinestones will not go anywhere, they are tight and secured. Definitely recommend that one. That's the only one I'll recommend just because it's the only one that I've used. And honestly, I've purchased this probably a year ago and I still have over half of the bottle, so definitely lasts a very long time. But before I go in and apply my charms, I'm just gonna go and quickly apply some base coat. Not base coat. What is wrong with me today? I apologize. I'm gonna go in and apply some top coat to all the nails, cure it under the lamp, and then we're gonna go right on over to applying the gummy jelly to my desired liking in the spots that I'm going to like. I kind of like to map it out with the gummy jelly. So wherever I think I'm gonna place the charms, that's the way that I'm gonna position the gummy jelly onto the nails. You guys will see the full process, so just keep watching. So here are the final results of the nails. This is exactly what they look like after the charms have been placed. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. If you're still here watching, thank you so much. I'm very appreciative. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you once again. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.